uNotes, my magnum opus, the app that I'm the proudest to have built. It is a full-fledged web app. It has your notification system, it has a login system, really all kinds of stuff needed in order to make sure that the user experience is wonderful. So let's dive into it. So what is it even? All right, well, best way to do it is to show, right? So let me select the school. Okay, selecting a school. All right, let's say I'm taking a course called Data Structures. Let's, for the sake of it, push the search here. Okay, still manages to find what I'm looking for right here. All right, search, and let's see, final exam. Oh, look at that. I'm able to have access to a bunch of documents that have been user submitted. That's super sweet. So that's the whole idea, a community-based approach to note sharing. And it's super intuitive. Notice I didn't even have to log in. But for the sake of it, let's still log in to make sure that you know, to show off all the other features that you can do. So you can like and dislike, you can give a comment. So this is a comment, and of course it would give a comment. Delete, all that kind of stuff that you would usually see within another existing platform, right? You can add documents as well on there in this platform. You can explore all a bunch of the different schools that are supported, and once you go into the school, you can see all kinds of documents all kinds of courses that exists. And yes, we implemented infinite scrolling because why not? And and the cool part about this that ties this whole thing together is the search, the powerful search that's powered by TypeSense. So instead of our program, our software basically like searching on demand, it already pre-processes everything using TypeSense, and so we just need to look up using TypeSense, and TypeSense will give us the results right away. Super neat tool. It's kind of like Algolia or Elasticsearch if you're familiar with it. But regardless, so I'm currently on this page and I'm visiting Carleton School, right? Let's say I'm looking for comp, something related to comp. Well, there we go. This is all the comp related stuff here, or roughly the rough stuff that are related to comp, and that's awesome, right? But so this is particularly for this school right now. But let's say I want to search for everywhere around the entire database. Well, I can do that right there and then. Let's say I'm looking for Math 1341. Nifty. There you go. I'm right here for Yo Ottawa. Or let's say, for example, I'm looking for Western University. Well, there you go. School's right there. We literally made it so that this web app is incredibly intuitive, fast, responsive, and like literally, if you want to like resize your screen, like to work on study or something else, you can do that. And like we made sure that like it behaves if it behaves with the screen in need. So for example, if it's in whites, if it's all white, the details would be shown here, and so are the comments. But if it's a little smaller, then the details would actually be shown like this instead. So that way you see the whole page, and then you get the details here. Heck, if you put the screen even smaller, notice that the sidebar here, it's gone, and it's replaced by the sandwich bar here. So that way it's tucked in here. So that way it saves all the space, because space management in mobile, incredibly important. We want to make sure it's super nice. And the search bar is still there. All the functionalities within mobile and within the desktop are still present. And what's awesome is dark mode and light mode. So yeah, we made sure to really make it a full-fledged web app. Even adding sharing functionalities. Really, I can go on about the amount of things that were done here, but all to say, I'm really proud of this product because I single-handedly designed the core principles of basically everything. I designed also the base of the app to what it is right now. It's built using Next.js. It's using Prisma to interact with our PostgreSQL database, and yeah, and I'm mostly just super proud about the product that I built, especially like the details, you know, analyzing the market, understanding how people want to use this, you know, even using things like Hotjar and Google Analytics to really like understand like how people are using this app and try to optimize further how the people are the user experience, and even going as far as even pushing the SEO as well. So that way, like if you Google like say a final exam, you'd be able to find it using uNotes. So yeah, no, I'm really glad I got to show this, and I really hope that it kind of blew your mind a bit. So yeah, thank you for taking the time to look at this. And I'm pretty sure I blew your mind, didn't I?